What's the meaning of atrium? Atrium. Atrium.
Atrium. Atrium. An atrium is a central space within a building that is open to the sky or covered by a skylight. It is typically located at the center of a building and surrounded by rooms or galleries on multiple levels. The purpose of an atrium is to provide natural light, ventilation, and a visual connection with the outdoors. In modern architecture, atria are often used as focal points for public spaces in commercial buildings, hotels, and airports. They can also serve as gathering spaces for events and exhibitions.